Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to activate dark dim, how to invert colors on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then go to the general, pick accessibility then, and now scroll down to vision. Now go a bit lower, and here you will notice screen color inversion. Smoothly tap on it, and if you truly want to invert colors, just click on turn on. And that's it. As you can see, colors have been inverted and you can use your device in dark dim. It will be perfect for both your eyes and also the battery, which will last way longer because it's less power consuming. And then if you would like to switch off dark dim, if you would like to switch off inverted colors, smoothly open the settings one more time, go to the accessibility settings, pick vision, and then smoothly by tapping switch off color inversion. And that would be all. So you can smoothly and easily invert colors in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.